Nobody in the Forbes list of the 10 wealthiest people on earth followed the path that the mainstream says leads to success. That is, be born, go to school for 18 years, work for 40 years, enjoy retirement for 10 years, and then die. Nobody, not one of them. Do you know why? Because the rat race produces rats, and in the jungle, a rat can never be king. So go to school, and more importantly, grow through school. But note that it is what you learn outside school that will make you successful enough not to be a part of the rat race. Working for money destroys your body. Making your money work for you restores your body. Lifetime employment can't create lifetime enjoyment. That is why you need to invest. Start from whatever level you're at. Never save money. Saving money is a scam. Inflation will demolish your savings. Investment will embellish your savings. And note that reliance on degrees alone creates an alliance with poverty. It is better to be academically illiterate and be financially literate. You have many degrees and no billions. Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates don't have degrees but have billions. What does that tell you? Reliance on degrees alone creates an alliance with poverty. If you're not following me, then you may not see me again. If you are following me, congratulations. You are on a sure path to financial freedom.